Okay, so this is my second 6 weeks extra credit project, and I did it over Baylor University. So the calculus course name is called MTH 1321. The AP tests are accepted at Baylor University in place of the 1321 course, but to have it accepted, you must place a 4 or 5 on the AP tests. And there's this picture of Baylor. So the majors that require calculus, I believe I have 26 listed here. It's basically a variety of different engineering degrees. I believe these all fall into the category of science degrees, except economics. Lots of health science studies, like physical science, psychology, pre-med, pre-dental, physical therapy, pre-athletic training, also chemistry, biochemistry, astrophysics, different things like that. So there are a lot of fields at Baylor University that do require calculus. So, and then there's a picture of someone doing engineering.